Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present one of the hackathons demo for the agent development kit hackathon with Google Cloud. And this particular project is built with the Python. Um, and definitely there was a lot of example provided by Google as a agent development kit for this hackathon. So the agent that I created is a sports agent. So basically, I'm trying to build a tool or agent that will give me a concise answer by looking at the game summary or game history or players analysis statistics, and based on that it's going to tell me um, what is the current condition of the game and who will have more chances of winning depending on how the game plays out. So given that main primary agent is the sports agent, which will collaborate all the data and create the final report on that. Under that, these are the sub agents. I have game analysis agent, which will do the game analysis of the current game going on, expert analysis. So it will take the reviews from the different people who are giving the analysis onto the particular game. Context analysis, like where the game is getting played, what is the current weather, what is the current condition of that area, and those kind of details for the context analysis. Performance analysis agent is basically it's going to check the performance of each player, um, and how they are playing the current game and what is their current performance, what is the current strike rate, and what is the current score, right? And second is the statistics agents, that will do statistics analysis on how is the player's history, what is the game's history, what is the team's history. And based on that, it's going to provide the analysis on that and the turn point report. So just in case if there is a turn point into the game where one player played so much, or somebody made like 50 or 100 runs in their inning, or let's say somebody did the multiple touchdowns, so that's the turn point event, right? So that is the turn point analysis agent that will do the turn point analysis report. Every agent sub agent will do the search on the Google and collect the data by looking at the agent, and it will provide the response back, right? So it's definitely a little bit complex to understand this particular project. And I'll switch over to the agent development kit. um, so basically this is where I'm running the agent, and if you can see, it will share like I am a match analysis coordinator here to help you out build a complete game report with using the expert agents, and it will give you the report onto the agent. So I have entered the India versus England June 2025, the game which is going on right now, the game of cricket. And the game analysis started, the agent. The first was the game analysis agent. So it will tell me like there is a game going on. It will search into the game statistical data. Okay. And here is a summary after the game analysis that here is India had a strong day one, but England fought back on day two. Key performers for India were Shubman Gill, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Rishabh Pant, Oli Pop stood out for the England. So this is a exactly very very accurate report given by the game analysis agent. Second is the performance analysis agent, which is going to check the performance. So India dominant day one, so it will check the performance of the players, but weakness included lower order fragility and missed chances into the field. Same thing with England, struggled with their bowling initially, but fought back with the Oli Pop century. Their bowling attack lacked penetration onto the day one, but their batsmen showed resilience on day two. So that's a performance agent where it will check the game, the team and the players' performance onto the game, right? And the turn point event, so it will find out all the turn point analysis into the game. So couple of player made a 91 run partnership, so that's a turn point if there is a 91 run partnership. India went from 433 to all 471, losing 7 wickets in 41 runs. So losing 7 wickets is definitely a turn point. Oli Pop century, Pop's unbeaten century, so that is also a turn point into the game. And Bumrah's no ball denied India a crucial fourth wicket. So that was a turn point. That is definitely a turn point event where because of the no ball, that player, we cannot get that wicket. Statistical analysis agent, so it will check whether what the statistical analysis is going on right now into the game. Next one is a context analysis. So what is the pitch report? What is the weather report? Is there any injuries? Is there any historical context? England holds a historical edge in the head-to-head test matches. So that is where it find out the history of this game. And expert comments. So basically, the expert comments that is given by the people on the internet, that is collected. Like Shubman Gill is definitely leading this first time the team, and that's why he's under pressure. And another player is whenever I make century, whenever it is, I enjoy it. So that is also some of the good comments. Right. So it will collect all the report and agents from all the agents, and it will create a final report. And you can ask the question after that, what is the current. So that is how this agent is played out. And if you see on the left hand side, the conversation goes on and how the agents are called one by one. Each agent is being called out, and the logging of the prompts has been listed over here. So it's definitely pretty long. And that is my demo for the hackathon. Thank you very much for joining. Have a good day.